Hi, my name is Steven Anderson. Not only did I realize how dependent I was on the electricity moguls, but I discovered the path to create a simple system that helped me ever since to generate my own energy daily, which eventually led to the peace of mind I craved for so long. I'm talking about a simple device that can be used by any family around the world and can even change the course of the entire energy industry. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video. First, let us ask, what is the force behind this brilliant invention? All the energy I needed emanated from one single center, one single source. Imagine the sun as a big source of energy, positively charged with a massive potential of over 200 billion volts. Inside Milky Way, in the solar system, the Earth is a giant magnet, acting like a huge sponge that constantly receives almost 48.115 megawatt-hours of electrical energy. Now get this, my grandfather figured out how the system captures the energy from this unique source, and it was believed it was impossible to use even a small fraction of this almost infinite source. That's because most of this energy hits the Earth's surface and goes to waste, and is lost forever. And the system was built with the technology available at that moment. Things have changed and evolved since then, and with a few simple witty adjustments, you too can grab a slice of this unlimited resource that doesn't cost any money, doesn't pollute, and will reduce your electricity bill forever. Starting from the brilliant design that grows the waves input by converging them, I had the idea to focus the sun waves in one spot to increase the overall power output. I then thought of a system to reach this goal, and the most effective one was using the principle of the satellite dish. That way the waves would be captured more efficiently. Not to mention the space I was saving by rearranging the solar panels at a converging angle. As you probably already know, solar panels capture the solar rays and transform them into electricity. But not all panels use the full capacity of that powerful energy. The real secret lies in taking advantage of their full potential. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video. And my grandfather, without even realizing it, discovered the ingenious method to redirect the rays in such a way that it can turbocharge the whole system. And in the next few moments, you're going to see just how easy it is to build it yourself. But here's the even better news, you'll be able to build the device with things lying around your house because technology evolved and you don't need to buy expensive parts, so the design is cheap and simple. And because of that, you'll find all components for mere dollars on Amazon. In fact, the new blueprints are so simple that you don't have to be an electrician. Heck, my 10-year-old son could build a small system during a lunch break. Just imagine powering your home appliances with this amazing system. No more paying through the nose on electricity, just to make the fat cats even fatter. Turn on the lights and TV as often as you want, without having to constantly hear the nagging voice inside your head telling you that you need to turn it off because you'll end up paying a fortune. You might want to take notes because this will be short and intense. And because electric companies don't want this technology exposed, this presentation could be taken down at any time, even today. Here's a short video of the simplified system at work. Remember, this is the initial test to give you an idea about the Cold War generator. With larger scale devices the results are impressive. And the latest improved design is much better and much more efficient. Once you discover just how easy it is to build the Cold War generator, you'll enjoy even greater savings, up to 85% or more, when you discover the simple, scaling secret for getting virtually unlimited energy. You'll be able to power up any kind of household appliances, from lamps and toasters to big plasma TVs. You can even take it with you at remote cabins in the wilderness, and stop worrying about electricity. What's more, because the Cold War generator is very light and portable, it makes for one of the best emergency generators you could ever hope for. Unlike wind generators, or windmills as some people call them, it doesn't need perfect wind channels, height and weather to be efficient. And unlike conventional portable generators, there are no fumes, and you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on fuel. In fact, there's very little to spend at all. Except from a simple maintenance check every few months, the system is basically set and forget. And because the design makes it so silent, you won't even hear it running. That's because you can install it anywhere in your backyard, and not worry about consumption for 1 second. So here's why you need to try the Cold War generator today. Quite frankly, there's never been a better time for a technology like this to emerge. With electricity prices going through the roof, and peak oil just around the corner, it's only a matter of time before everyone turns to alternative energy sources. But if you think about it, you'll realize alternative energy never really was an alternative. Just try to go solar without spending 5 figures on a solar panel system. It's impossible. Or try building a DIY wind generator that requires a degree in engineering just to set up without forking out $800. And how much wind is directly hitting your home area throughout the year? The Cold War generator, on the other hand, is extremely adaptable, and will completely change the way you look at energy. It costs very little to set it up, and you can find almost all the materials and spare parts at your local electronics shop. It's incredibly easy to build. Because I needed to use the device in the middle of nowhere, I made it as simple as possible. You can get materials that usually cost thousands of dollars for a few bucks, and with my step-by-step instructions, building your own system is as easy as assembling an IKEA chair. There are no emissions, no fumes, no radiations. In fact, it's as green as it gets. And best of all, it generates the much-needed electricity so you can slash your bill by 30%, 60%, 80% or more. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video.